humid tonight, low 66. Watch for fog developing late tonight and early tomorrow. Tomorrow, some sun, some clouds, some showers, maybe a thunderstorm in the afternoon. Humid. High 84. It's 81 now. And sunny in Boston. The extended WBZ Active with the forecast the rest of the week and the weekend coming up. I've gotten there in 5 minutes here on WBZ. Where's the best place to be this summer? How about leading the way with Ford? Your New England Ford dealer with lots of escapes to choose from.
So, while those other guys are saying you gotta wait for a compact SUV, your New England Ford dealer is asking, what color Escape do you want? Get behind the wheel of a Ford Escape with quality that can't be beat by Toyota. Escape gets great gas mileage, up to 28 miles per gallon highway. It's got tons of room for all your gear and hands-free sync technology. And during Ford's Best Place to Be sales event, you can get 0% financing for 60 months, plus $500 cash on your new Escape. Or current competitive lessees can drive a loaded Escape with sunroof and sync for only $179 a month. And when you lease your Escape, you'll drive maintenance-free for 2 years or 25,000 miles. Dial 1-877-FORD-002 or log on to newenglandford.com for details.
The Ford Best Place to Be sales event. Your great escape starts here. WBZ News Time 6:06. Another woman who says she was abused at a Cape Cod summer camp has come forward and filed a lawsuit. She claims she was attacked over 3 consecutive summers at Camp Good News. WBZ's Lina Jones reports the woman says she wants to prevent more abuse at the camp in Sandwich.
Cheryl Madden attributes sexual abuse at the camp starting when she was 7 to years of alcohol and drug abuse. She says she's sober now and has been in touch with camp owners, even telling them she'd been abused there after her father left them over $100,000.
Well, that's his way of thanking them for what they did to me. My father was a very sadistic, narcissistic person.
Madden says the camp gave her some of the money and she promised not to go to the media when Senator Scott Brown reported being abused at summer camp, but has since changed her mind.
I asked them to come forward and they wouldn't do it. They swept it under the rug, and then a man committed suicide.
The man who committed suicide was one of the people facing allegations of abuse. The Cape and Islands DA is investigating complaints from many former campers.
Hello?
Boston, Lina Jones, WBZ News Radio 1030.
WBZ contacted Camp Good News today in a statement.
Okay, I'm almost there. I'm almost at the Thorndike Street exit.
The camp says it finds it interesting that Madden sent her own son
bye-bye.
last summer. Investigators in northern New Hampshire say the Salina camp...
I'm still holding the camera. We'll put it there.
11-year-old murder is up to $30,000. WBZ's Mark Caddick reporting.
New Hampshire Assistant Attorney General Jane Young says they have followed up on 580 leads, but are now offering a $5,000 reward on top of the FBI's $25,000 reward.
At this juncture, we are still asking the public for any help, anything that they may have seen or heard.
Young says they're constructing a timeline about Selena around the time of her disappearance and await a toxicology report.
There always is at least a dozen police officers who remain active on this investigation. The FBI is still a critical partner in this investigation.
The Northway Bank in Gorham is taking donations if people want to add to the local reward money. In Concord, New Hampshire, Mark Caddick, WBZ News Radio 1030.
Anytime, anywhere, news breaks. WBZ News Radio 1030 is there every day. WBZ News Time 6:08 from MarketWatch.com. We check in again with John Ward. John, I guess the numbers haven't changed, have they?
No, they're still gruesome and coated in red, Rod. Recession fears slam stocks, prompting the major stock averages to drop between 4 and 5%. The Dow dropping 420 points, the NASDAQ down 131. The S&P losing 53.
Welcome to Lowell.
Like Monster Worldwide and Manpower took it in the chops. They fell around 10% each on news. First-time jobless claims jumped back above 400,000 last week. And Hewlett-Packard says it's looking at getting out.